Alright, this is cabin 12251. It is a category 4F interior cabin at the front of deck 12. We'll come into the room and you will see it right there. Decent amount of room on the one side, a little bit tight on the other. Here's all your extra power outlets, USB and regular power right there, so plenty of power there. Your phone on the wall, a couple of shelves on the wall for you as well. There is your TV. And underneath here you have a couple of drawers. Now these are slightly smaller than the regular interiors on the older ships, I will say that. There's your fridge. Now this ottoman note, you can lift it up for a bit of extra storage space. Obviously you can store stuff under the bed as well. Now either side of the bed you have these night lights with a USB port underneath them and a couple of shelves you can put your phone and stuff like that at night. It's very nice to have that little touch. There's one on either side. Fear not, that is not a curtain. You cannot see outside, it is a strict interior. There's the other one. USB port on both sides like I said, and a nice shelf you want to put your phone overnight to charge. Here is your storage area. There's your safe. Now you can drop that drawer, the one that's up on the right hand side, you can drop that down to make more shelving or leave it up to make more hanging space. And there's one on the opposite side for you too. Here's your bathroom. Now note that they don't have the shower curtains on these newer ships. They have the regular glass window doors, but they do open out to in. So when they are fully opened, it does make a little bit less space in the room. There's your hidden hairdryer. It was supposed to be in one of the drawers. And a nice little footrest for the ladies. So there you go. Nice suit. One more look at the room. So that is cabin 12251 on Carnival Jubilee. This is where it is. You'll see there it's at the front of deck 12, somewhat towards the middle. And this is what is in the room. You'll notice these are 158 square feet. The typical size of the older ship interiors is 185 square feet. So these are quite considerably smaller. 2 twin beds that convert to a king, and you can read the rest of that at your leisure. So there you go. Cabin 12251, Carnival Jubilee, an interior category 4F cabin. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when new videos come out. And don't forget, click on the links to the left and right of me. You can watch playlists, new video suggestions, and more. Any questions? Email me, cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. And don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Email for help.